I am so tired. I had such a long day today. I don't know why I do this. Why do I leave everything for the last minute? I have been working / trying to get ready for this trip all day. It's Saturday and I had a bunch of other things I had to catch up on, but I got my lashes done and I don't know if I like lashes anymore. I just like how easy it is. They look really good, but I think they look a little better with makeup. I have not packed. I think that we have a car coming at 8 o'clock, so I have like 2 hours to pack and I don't know what I'm gonna pack. I mean, I do, but anyway, I got my pedicure. I'm gonna leave my nails. I love the French. I think I'm gonna leave this. I was so hungry, I didn't eat all day, so I went to Starbucks and I just scarfed a turkey basil pesto sandwich and I had some pumpkin loaf. And then I came home and I showered and I've just been laying here. I just wanted to take like a 10-minute phone break. I'm gonna get up right now and start folding laundry.
Las mujeres de España, argentinas y dominicanas, de Perú y Guatemala, Venezuela, Cuba y Ecuador, de Chile y paraguayas, uruguayas y colombianas, México, Nicaragua y El Salvador.
Just got here, came straight to breakfast, just having some coffee now and a mimosa. I am so relaxed. Had breakfast in this hut. There's like a buffet in there. We don't check in until 3 p.m. My luggage I checked. So I just went and bought a bikini from the gift store and now I'm tanning. And then I have a massage scheduled for noon. I am just so happy. It is such a great start to my birth week and I'm gonna keep calling it that. I just tanned a little bit. I'm heading over to my massage. It's so hot. How pretty is this little courtyard? I'm walking to the spa right now to get my massage. I'm super late while I'm waiting to check in. The most amazing massage. I slept the entire time. I'm gonna come back by the end of this trip and get another one. It was so good. It was like the 80-minute Swedish massage. It was amazing. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So the door, and then I just got out of the jacuzzi. This is one of the bathrooms. It has ceiling shower, really cute. A closet in here. Nice little closet, and then I don't know if this is another closet. I don't know what that is. The sink. When you walk out here, let me turn this light on. This is the living space. Everything's kind of already thrown around. This is like the little coffee bar station, and then there is a mini fridge in here with some drinks, pouches, and then I think this door leads to another room, so we do not touch that. Let me open this actually. Okay, so this is one side of the balcony, and then this is the bedroom. I just got out of the hot tub, so I left the towel on the ground. Bed, a table, I already set up my tripod for pictures, TV, dresser, my big luggage that I overpacked for like 5 days. The bathroom, really big shower here, and then a bathtub. Actually, I haven't showered here, so it's funny. I thought that this entire thing was just meant for a bathtub. I did not look up and see that there was showers. I've been showering in the smaller bathroom. How cool is this? Sink, and then closet in here. Love bathrooms like this, all the privacy. Yeah, and then I think that's just an extra blanket. The best part, I'm out of breath. Why am I out of breath? The balcony, so nice. We have a hot tub, jacuzzi. I don't know if I pronounce, people make fun of the way I say jacuzzi. Is it jacuzzi or is it jacuzzi? I don't know. Anyway, and then tanning bed, and then the most beautiful view of the ocean down there. Pool. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. It's so windy. So then this is our hotel. Bananas. It's so gorgeous. I just fell. That is it. I hope you guys like this tour.
be. I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and
sausage and a hash brown that I just ate, and I got a bagel with cream cheese, salmon, and then some lettuce. And then I got a green juice. This is orange juice, celery, and pineapple, and then some coffee. That's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Getting on the boat to Isla Mujeres.
así, pretendes que no hay nada. Te vi con todo ese movimiento. A ver si miradas cruzan dirección. Si es así, se quedan en pausa los ojos. Mírate, nerviosa de repente. Cada vez que me...
Good morning. I'm gonna go downstairs and have some breakfast right now. I got a waffle, got a bagel, everything like kind of piled on. And then I'm gonna put the smoked salmon on the bagel, and then they walked over and put a croissant on my plate. And then I'm having coffee and green juice. It's so beautiful outside. I have recorded this view so many times, but it is so gorgeous. I need to figure out how to get this water hot because the jets work, but I cannot for the life of me figure out how to make it hot. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. It's so windy outside. So beautiful. This video does not do this water justice. I think that's the city over there, like they're downtown. Or wait, it's that way? I don't know. Okay, I just got my food. I got, oh, this is my burrito. A Caesar salad, and then some pineapple juice, orange juice, some coffee. So I'm gonna eat this and continue on with my work. Got my laptop, my coffee. just be here. Falling asleep to the ocean waves has been so magical, so dramatic, but it feels magical. It's so relaxing. I think they just opened this up. They were doing construction here. The lobby was over there. So now I think the lobby is over there. It's like all open now. This is so beautiful. I never saw this. It was all closed up. So pretty. We're gonna take the taxi to the mall. I think I like these. You guys, my hotel is so cute. They brought this cake this morning. I'm leaving early for Tulum, so they came literally like 7 in the morning because I have to leave at 7:50. So they came super early. They just lit this. They brought like coffee, and then some pastries, and a bottle of Dom. I'm so happy. Coco Loco, like tequila coconut water, shrimp tacos, chicken tacos, fish tacos. Restaurant. For dinner, I got Sauvignon Blanc, and then I'm starting off with a tomato soup and some bread and olive oil. Then I got the beef carpaccio, I think that's what it's called. Then I got the Alfredo. Then I got the sea bass.
Feliz, a partir de